Guys, welcome back to Justin Cooks. Yep, I'm back again, going to be cooking some more food. And this time we're going to be cooking fish. We're going to be cooking tapa filet. And then we got this at Walmart for $4.34. So that's pretty good, and it looks good. So we're going to go ahead and get our salt, our garlic powder, our chives, and our sea salt mix right here. And we're going to get our parsley. And of course our pepper. We want our pepper in there. So that's what we're going to have for our spices. Now, of course, what we're going to do now is we're going to cut this open. With our fish. Well, you're going to get you open or what? I thought that was going to be more straightforward than what it was. God, it's sealed up in there really good. You are sealed up tight in there, ain't you? Well, I guess that's a good thing. Don't have to worry about contamination with this thing or someone trying to steal it. Ah, there we go. It just has to be persuaded. Yep. Got it in my face. Some of that juice. Alright. Alright, we got our first piece out. First thing we're going to do, we're going to hit it with our sea salt. You know what? It would help if I move this so you could see it. Yeah, there we go. That's exactly what we want right there. Yeah, there we go. Now you can see that nice and good. Now we're going to take our sea salt. Sprinkle a little of it on. We're going to take our garlic powder. We're going to turn our stove on. It would help a great deal if we did that, because we're going to need to get that heat going. Should have did that before. There's our garlic powder. There's our regular salt. And our pepper. Remember, the chives always go on last. So we got to rub it right in to the meat. Fish is the same meat as anything else, just like an animal, like we always said before. Rubbing that in there good, hitting it into the crevices. Get that garlic powder on the other side of it. All that nice healthy garlic. Some of our pepper. And some of our sea salt. And there we go. That's good. And we're going to add our parsley. Just tap it. Don't rub it, but tap it. Right in there. Flip it again. Put our parsley right in there. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that nice seasoned. That looks amazing. That is seasoned to perfection. Now we're going to wait for that to warm up a bit. Then when it hits our operating temperature we want it to be at, we put it right on the grill. Just wash our hands a little bit. Work on it like that. Then we'll be ready for our second piece. This is a really good buy for $3. Two nice, big, healthy portions of fish. And of course, you can fry it if you want to, but we're not going to do the whole frying technique. This is baked. It's a lot better if you bake your fish. It's a lot healthier for you, and plus you have the healthy option right there. So, right. Yeah, so the minute that it gets on to operating temperature, we'll throw it on the grill. And as always, we have our copper pan here, so it cooks nice and evenly. So, there we go. We're going to go ahead, put it right on there, right at the center. First, we're going to do our spatula. Kind of want to move it over so we can put our second piece on. Oh yeah, nice and beautiful. Look at that. We're going to do our garlic powder. There we go. We're going to smooth that out and spread it all out nice and evenly. Do our pepper. Just like we do with the other one. Rub that in there nice and gentle. And put our sea salt in there. Rub it in there real good. More of our sea salt. Season the other side. Rub it in nice and good. Add our pepper. Just like so. Put this one on. There we go. We're all seasoned up. Yep, got that taken care of. And of course, we're going to put our parsley on. There we go. We're going to put our spices up as we're done with them. That's gonna taste real good when we get all that when that's all on there. Of course, we're gonna put a little bit more garlic powder on this, just to make sure we have enough. That's wonderful. That looks amazing. Wow. Smells good too. Smells just as good as it looks. It's exactly what you want. And since we're right at the 10-minute mark, I'll see you in the next video. So I'll see you in part 2.